g-anica vlogging camera kit is a comprehensive package featuring a 4K camera *1, microphone *1, tripod *1, filter *3, wide-angle lens *1, macro lens *1, cleaning kit *1, fill light *1, 300 to SD card *1, card reader *1, battery *2, charger *1, camera bag *1, and lanyard *1, packed with numerous accessories. This kit enhances the practicality of your photography, adding an extra layer of interest to your creative endeavors. This camera boasts a smooth video resolution of 4K, 60 FPS and captures for 8 MP photos, delivering outstanding recording and shooting performance. Featuring a 16x digital zoom, it allows you to magnify captured images, providing clarity for distant subjects. The 3.0-inch screen is versatile, flipping up 180 degrees for convenient selfie capture. With an additional wide-angle macro lens, this camera kit widens your field of view and lets you explore small details with the macro lens. The included microphone ensures enhanced audio reception for recorded videos, while the tripod holder adds stability to your captured images, extendable and adjustable to your preferred angle. Experience diverse shooting perspectives with the 3-color filter, stimulating creativity during shooting. The camera's built-in fill light is complemented by an extra-large fill light, ensuring clearer photos in low-light conditions. The kit includes a 32GB SD card and card reader, eliminating the need for additional purchases and providing direct usability for this vlog camera, packed with functions like selfie time-lapse, looping video, slow-motion video, and white balance. This compact camera caters to a range of creative needs. With its fashionable appearance and compact body, it's an excellent choice for kids, teens, and beginners, perfect for gifting on special occasions such as parties, birthdays, Christmas, and Thanksgiving.